You know, when you're from South, you automatically got How's everybody doing? I'm Billy Niz, and welcome to the Square Off TV, Fight, Street, and Hip Hop Media. How's everybody doing? Finally got a lapel mic. It ain't what I really wanted, but it is what it is. Got another mic I can use and for the camera, so can't complain. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? It looks like Korean Zombie's gonna get that featherweight title fight. That I thought Henry Cejudo was gonna get, but it didn't work out like that. I thought we were gonna see the first coach / champion in UFC history. Finally, someone accomplished something first before Conor McGregor. I guess, there's only one Conor McGregor, but no, for real, it ain't Triple C. It's definitely the Korean Zombie. Shout out to the Weasel. He made a he made a he made a funny observation. He said this was by far the quickest. It was the quickest um pull out of a fight, less than 24 hours. It was just announced, and Max pulls out less than 24 hours later. So, I mean, it had to have been something very severe. You know what I mean? But I've been to be honest with you, life hasn't been so perfect lately. Um, it really hasn't. I'm kind of going through it. Shit, it just ain't a good situation, But so yeah, it's the right way. Sorry. Oh, just nothing but manipulation and fucking lies. People who wanted to. I love fucking tough guys. They fucking tell you stories your whole life. They're and they still act tough to people. This and that. And once they bring it to you, and the person wouldn't let go, and I told him I didn't want to do it. The fucking guy just wouldn't fucking stop, and cause I got a lot of anger in me, and that's why I like doing this, because it helps gets a lot of stuff off my chest. Plus, like, I like entertaining people too, so um the guy wouldn't fucking stop. He was in front of my stairs with his hands up, saying, "Come on, come on." You don't want to do this, really. Like, cut the shit. Blah 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 blah. Next thing you know, uh, I only threw one left hook, and uh he got Forrest Gump legs when he got his new braces. Hey, mom, new legs. Fell forward, did on his face. What, my left is weak too, and I beat him. I beat him, and it's just this fucking guy, man. But anyways, so The reason why a Korean Zombie got the fight is because he's the only one in the top 5. I didn't know he was in the top 5 for featherweights. Um, he's the only one who ain't coming off a loss. That's why he got it. And Volcanoski said, "Fuck it, let's do it, and he did it. And I guess it's gonna be the Zombie and fucking Volcanoski. And what was the other fight? Oh, Dustin Poirier and Nate Diaz. Dana does not want Nate Diaz to fucking leave here, the UFC, with a win. I don't think Nate's gonna win. I really don't. If he was fighting Conor for the trilogy, here's two things Dana White definitely don't want. He don't want Nate to make a ton of money when he's leaving to go make a ton of money somewhere else. And he definitely don't want him walking away with a fucking win. So homeboy, Nate's gonna get Nate's gonna lose that fight. I feel it. Just Justin Poirier is on a whole new level today, nowadays. Well, he was till he fought Charles. Uh, but Conor, he's going up to 170. Conor McGregor's going up to 170. That's confirmed. And there's a ton of fucking and the two people that come into my head is Masvidal and Covington. Colby Chaos, my guy. I think it's going to be Colby Covington. Oh, dude, imagine if it's McGregor Masvidal. Oh my fucking god, the Eminem match, the Eminem belt. I'm just kidding. That's fucking crazy. But I really feel it's going to be Masvidal or Covington. It can't be no fucking slouch. It gotta be a fucking name. I I think I think it's gonna be Kobe. I think Kobe's gonna get that fucking match. That's gonna either way. We're gonna fucking win as fans. You know what I mean? I really wish. I need you guys to subscribe to the Square Off TV. Please subscribe to this channel. I know I've been fucking slacking ever since this bullshit happened to me. My analytics have gone down. I was, fucking. I'm still depressed. I ain't afraid to fucking say it, but um, I'm just in a tough position right now, and I promise you guys, I'm gonna be making more videos. It's just people are just so fucking toxic around me. I gotta get the fuck away. I really do. People are so fucking toxic. It makes me fucking sick. But without further ado, um, I got a brand new. I got the If you go to my channel and to my videos, I got the Whitey Bulger files. I got I got actual, and I mean actual FBI surveillance footage of Whitey Bulger, Stephen the Rifleman Fleming, the Italians. Believe it, because I tell people the Irish and the Italians worked together at first before he did that, and people seem to forget that Stephen the Rifleman Fleming was a FBI informant too. It wasn't just Whitey. It was Stephen the Rifleman Fleming too. I don't know why people seem to forget about that, but yeah, yeah. Um, I want to get my fucking interviews off the ground because there's a lot of people I can fucking interview, and like they're gonna do it for me for free, and and that's very nice of them. Like I told you, Rick Marinick, you're gonna love his story. Um, and I don't want to say names if they don't want to do it, but there's I got some shit in store for you guys in the mob motherfucking scene. The people that love the whitey, the Irish mob shit. I'm gonna be interviewing some fucking players. Let me tell you, I swear to God on my daughter, it's gonna be going down. Down, down, down. Like Charlie Brown. Fucking, other than that, what do we got going on in boxing? Canelo's going up. Canelo's moving up two weight classes to fight the WBC champ. He's moving up to cruiserweight to fight the WBC champion. But my question is, if he wins, what next? There's only one place to go. He's already beaten Kovalev, and that was light heavyweight, right? There's only one place to go from cruiserweight, and that's fucking heavyweight. I'm telling you, don't be surprised to see Canelo's going to be fighting the WBC heavyweight champion, whoever the fuck that is. That's why I love the fucking franchise title. That was a great idea. Whoever came up with that, whoever first came, I don't know if it was the WBC. I know the WBA has a franchise champion, but the WBC, the person can move up to any weight class and fight the WBC champion, was definitely the fucking move. Awesome, awesome, awesome idea. I love the franchise title. Fucking there's made boxing exciting. Canelo is my fighter of the year 2021. I don't know. He has to be everybody's. I mean, and it no, and know what's fucking nuts? Do you? I wonder if people have Jake Paul as like a runner up or in third place as fighter of the year. That fucking would that I was so confused when I thought that was a meme or something because I had no idea that because I heard they were fighting again. All of a sudden, I see Woodley knockout by Jake Paul. I'm like, get the fuck out of here! And next thing you know, that fucking right hand. I said, holy shit! That wasn't no motherfucking work. Dude, Woodley got motherfucking flatlined. That right hand was that dude he Jake Paul got power. He definitely got power. Dude, Tyron Woodley was he was just the last welterweight the world. He was just a world champion. He was just the world champion before Usman. He practically just lost his title to Usman last year. And Jake Paul fucking flatlined him. How do you fucking I don't how do you sit down with your boys or other pros? Like that shit was fucking I couldn't fucking believe it. And like I said, I only seen him get knocked out once in MMA, and that was by Nate Marquardt, and that was a nasty, ugly motherfucking knockout with uppercuts. Dude, he was leaned up against the cage getting uh, right uppercuts dead to his fucking face. Oh, he got knocked dead. I couldn't believe when I seen Jake Paul do that to him. Um, I'm just talking. I just wanted to see how this thing works and everything like that. Um, I'm trying to figure out because everything's so up in the air right now. I mean, fucking life can't get worse than this. But I promise you guys, please stick with me. Please pray for me. Billy Niz needs some motherfucking prayer in his life, man. Everything's just been so fucked up. I promise I'm gonna come with some fucking content that's gonna blow your motherfucking hair back. Until next time, this is Billy Niz with the Square Off TV, Fight and Street Media, and I'm off this. Peace.